Hello, this is Jason with PokerAtlas, and in this video I'm going to show you how to register players with their account for a tournament. We will start by clicking on Tournament Registration. Make sure your tournament is open. If it is not, you will not be able to register a player. So now we are going to make sure that we are ready to sell a tournament seat. So if you have add-ons in your tournament, it's very important to pay attention to these add-on buttons. Those represent the add-ons that you set up in your templates. So notice the amount says 95. Once I click one of the add-on buttons off, that amount is going to change. Now we're going to look at our receipts. Okay, so notice with these receipts that we have receipt, dealer card, cashier copy. They're all the same thing. It's just a matter of how many you want. So if you want the system to print you 3 duplicates, you leave all 3 checked. If you want them to print you 2 duplicates, you leave 2 checked. If you want them to print 1 ticket, then you leave 1 checked. It doesn't matter which one. Also notice how that seat players is highlighted. That is telling the system that you want it to seat the players automatically. And probably the most important thing to keep in mind as you're registering players for a tournament is your total seats and your available. Once your available reaches 0, you will not be able to sell any more seats. So you'll need to reach out to your TD or whoever's running your tournament to open up more seats. So now we are ready to register a player for this tournament. So normally you would just put your cursor in the name box, swipe the card, and then it automatically registers the player for that tournament. Obviously I can't show you that in this video, so I'm going to use the manual lookup. So I'm going to go to lookup player. I'm going to put in the player's information, whether it be full or partial in any of these fields. I'm going to hit search, and I'm going to select that player. And now that player, as you can see, seated 1, has been added to our tournament. Now I'm going to show you how to void a player. So I hit the Players tab, I highlight the player, I hit Payments, then I'm going to hit Reverse, then I'm going to hit Refund, and now this player has been voided from the tournament. Notice the amount is 0, and then the void over here is checked as well, showing that that entry has been voided out. Alright, and there you have it. That is how you register a player using their player account for a tournament. As always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from PokerAtlas.